We are working hard. Yeah, at picture that we put it. A very red good transparent picture of me when I put it. It's not like I know that it's a positive and a different thing and know that tonight is new. People tonight, new year. Tonight, give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Well, you know, we might not get tomorrow. Let's do it tonight. What is it? What is it? Everybody's just telling me. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything. Get busy tonight. Cause we're more and more to do it bad. Before I'm first, this first gonna be I'm lost and you mean it and make love to just know it. Just know it. Just know it. Just keep going. I gotta love you. This is my life, baby. I can make you feel right, baby. I gotta promise tonight. I gotta promise tonight. Shoes. I'm not so good. Don't leave me like shoes tonight. What if you for me if I could tonight? I think you'd let me good tonight. And one more day tomorrow. Tonight. I love you tonight. Give me everything tonight. You know, we might not get tomorrow. Let's do it tonight. What is it? All the games. Somebody's just over here. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything. It's the stars. If you don't grab me in, I'll let you know. When it's up to you, door, it's a put it up. Finding my mercy keepers. My gamer from Cuba, but I'm from Nenga, over money like keepers. I spend my life, baby. I can make you right, baby. I can promise the man, but I promise to you. And my dream for you to move, let you tonight. No, let go, move you if I could tonight. Tonight, I will love you tonight. Give me everything tonight. For all we know, we might not get tomorrow. Let's do it. Don't get what this is. But somebody to tell them, hey, give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Visit Just Game 2003! Tonight, no, not get tomorrow. Visit Just Game 2003. Come to the baby. Come to tonight. Come tonight.